I got my special delivery. This is not all. This is certainly and definitely not all. Yay! Things like this get me excited. I'm coming. Lights! Yes, I never knew I was a magician. Okay, so what have we got here? Let's see. What is here? I'm so sorry, I didn't even check in on you guys. Hope you're doing well, and I hope December is treating you well. Like you guys, I have a lot of content that I've not been able to edit, and I mean this whole Vlogmas thing, I don't even know how to go about it, to be honest. And in case you don't know what Vlogmas is, so basically it is a challenge whereby YouTube content creators challenge themselves to upload videos every day until Christmas. So this looks like a tripod stand. Okay, it looks fragile. I ordered lights, so I think this is for my lights stand. Okay. All this was shopped during the Black Friday sales, by the way, because I wanted to be sure that I was saving. You know how frugal I am. Like, I don't like to throw out my money like that. I don't. So the other item that is in the box. Oh, there's something else also in there. Ooh. It is what it is. You guys, I feel like a baby right now. Ooh. A charging light, so all you just need to do is charge it. Oh, okay. I believe. Oh, and you can increase. Can you see that? I'm increasing it. Ah, can you see the difference? Can you tell the difference? Oh wow, it gets brighter. Ooh. So this is the, what do they call this one? Cold light. I mean, this is the white one, which is the cold one. The yellow one is warm. And yeah, so oops, I'm going to figure this out. Okay? I just like the way it feels like a sword. This is not the usual unboxing that you are used to with me. I know, things are changing. Everything with YouTube is all about being really experiential right now on YouTube, because beauty, makeup, lifestyle, those are like my thing. And I also feel like you guys also love the vlogs and also unboxing. So for me, doing the unboxing, I feel like it's more of like me sharing with you the items that I'm using, because everything that I use, I would also be reviewing them at some point. Okay? And speaking of reviews, a lot of that is also coming up. Okay, so this other box that I was trying to open up. So this is something that I got for work. Yeah. So this is basically props that I use for photography. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Let's put it right here. Yes. So I hope you can see, and I hope I'm really in frame. This is a bag. I got myself a backpack. Oh, wow. I thought it was going to land me to the same place. Oh, sometimes when shopping online, what you see online doesn't even do justice to some items that you buy. But I knew this was going to be a good bag, but I didn't know it had this much space. So I have one here, one at the right side, one at the left side, two little pocket compartments, and the main way to open the bag, I guess, is from here. Oh wow, that's That's nice. Can it fit my laptop though? Let me check. A lot. Oh, it fits my laptop. I'm so happy, like it fits my bag, my laptop. Okay, that's nice. Oh, see, let me bring out the laptop. Inside, it also has more little compartments for like phones and things like that. Also, right here, it has another small compartment, not so deep. This is really nice. And they gave you, there is a strap that comes with it. I even need to check the price of this strap. So far, I've opened 3 items and I'm getting value. So I'm going to put all the links in the description. Amazon US. Amazon. Orders. Okay, so RGB LED light was, oops, now it is at $69.99. That's $70 for the light. The props items was, oh wow, it's currently $44. This is $37.39 USD. Wow, this is so worth it. Well, let me use it and I will definitely share my review. The next item is this right here, and I think I know what this is. It's my shoe. It's my shoe. Okay, and in here I got 15% off. Ew, I got myself boots. Okay, so this is going to be my uniform, so to say. They even look like it's the same thing. Oh, this shoe looks really pretty. Let me wear it, just so you can see. I wanted to get an ankle boot because the previous one that I have, I really can't wear it because I mean, Ghana is very hot. Yeah, so, but this one feels good. Yeah. So the next item here is this built-in microphone, UHF transmission, real-time monitoring. To come off. Oh, it comes with this hard case. Ooh, nicely packaged. What I'm currently using right now is also a lavalier mic. I love it so much. The only problem is it's a cable, you know, and I need to be able to like move freely, and this is a wireless one. Absolutely, I can't wait to try this and definitely review this with you guys. Again, this is the Pixel vocal lock. So they have all the necessary stuffs that I need here. I feel like all these items that I'm unboxing should have been like individual videos, but I guess I'm just excited to open everything at once. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, her. So this is a teleprompter. Oh, I didn't tell you the price of the vocal lock. So the vocal lock is, I know it was really pricey, even with the sales. Yeah, I said it. So currently it is $199. Then I got some really good deals, you know. This is almost $200. Actually, I would say this is $200. And basically this is how it comes. Yeah. So YouTube is really tedious and it's hard. So I thought using a teleprompter can help me do better, so to say. I'm very good with my scripting, and when I script, most times the way I want to go about my content creation or my delivery, so to say, is not how it turns out. So let's see if this baby right here helps me out. So it comes with a tripod stand. So then the link to everything is going to be in the description. Okay, so this is the remote. This is the main guy. Yeah, so I hope it's not broken. So this is, a lot of YouTube creators actually use all these things and you never know. Anyways, I got myself some t-shirts. I bought more than this. How come it's just 3 that came? This. Good. Like it. Okay. Here I just wanted like nice graphic t-shirts. This I bought in large. Like it. So it's written faith. My dear viewers, just have faith in me. Okay, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Have faith in me, remember. Okay, so the next one is this one. So this is another graphic t-shirt. Says, I think, black girl magic. I got this one in medium, so it's from the same brand. Let's switch. I like it. What do you think? Okay, so my box is empty, and that means we officially made it to the end of this video. Okay, so I just came back quickly because I was trying to like reflect on my journey so far this year, especially on this space, which is YouTube. And I was just like, YouTube is a place whereby if you know what to do, you make the right choices and you invest in your creative, so to say. I mean, just see how it's gonna go, because I'm here looking at myself. I bought lights, I bought camera, no, not camera yet, teleprompter, what is that stuff again, mic. I mean, it's a lot. This I can say for a fact, it's a lot of money. You are investing on your business, on your brand, so to say, because YouTube, I see it as a brand. It is way bigger than just anything you just want to like treat just like that. You wake up in the morning, you're thinking about content. Having lunch, you're thinking about content. You are going to bed, you're thinking about content. Like, it's crazy, but I feel like also you need to put the right content out there. You need to definitely invest. Everything that I spent here, to be honest, have not been able to make that money on YouTube. And you're probably looking at me like, oh, she's stupid. The whole essence of what I'm just trying to say is, if you know any content creator out there, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is a hard work, and I'm just learning that now for myself. Just try to support them the little way you can. If you watch their video, if there are people that you know personally, that you are close to them, give them direct feedbacks on how they performed on the video, for example. And you can definitely share them out by just sharing their video on your timeline, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Yeah, so I mean, it's a whole lot of work. Definitely get back to them with actual and genuine feedbacks, because I feel like right now, with the way we are living right now, people build or buy something, or they subscribe to something, or they want more of something if there is if it's a good service, product, show, whatever it is. And that only happens when they get real feedbacks. Okay, so that's enough of what I just have to say for now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and definitely I would appreciate if you share the video as well. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do Vlogmas, but let's just wait and see. And also let me know what kind of video do you want to see, because right now my beauty videos are gonna come. Don't forget that. That is what I'm here for. Okay, I'll see you guys pretty soon.